bust this open. Here on this dirty old picnic table. Oh, sent me some cigars with it. Cool. Here's an old Lorax manual wine deal. Might not have made the trip. Kind of cool and a little weird, like the whole mechanism comes out. Oh, there she took off. Hit that balance wheel. Let it take off. Of all the watches I have, I do not have anything with a stretchy band. Just want to make sure there's nothing else hiding in there. Alright, we got a Seiko box here. No information on the box. Oh, yes there is. ZW580M. Bracelet underneath in there. Cool. And then this is the watch. Let's see if I can get in there better like that. Yeah. Seiko automatic. It did look smaller in the pictures, but he said he thought it was right around 40 mil, which looks about in there. There, it's off and running. Crystal's got some gouging. But pretty cool looking watch. I'll probably put it back on the bracelet if the bracelet's long enough for my wrist. That's a cool looking bracelet with the polished and unpolished links. I'll have to find a longer band for it, but kind of cool looking old watch. Have to see if there's a crystal available for it to swap in there.